welcome back to my channel. And as you can see from the title, today I will be telling you all you need to know about passion twists, the pros, the cons, how to maintain them, and the takedown, because I'm taking my hair down. It's been almost a month, almost 4 weeks, and I'm ready. Plus they are super, I don't know, oh my god, they are super frizzy. Look at this one. This one is like way away from my head. They're super frizzy, and you know, it's just time. So without further ado, let's begin. I want to start unraveling the twist now, and before that I'm gonna put a little bit of my Mega Growth oil in the palm of my hands, just a little bit, and I'm gonna just rake that through the twists. This is supposed to make it easier for the twists to unravel, and also for the passion twist hair to let go of my natural hair, because you know how synthetic curly hair can get very clingy. Okay, I don't want the passion twist hair to snag my natural hair, so I gotta provide some oil that's gonna lubricate, you know, the two separate hairs, so that when I'm taking out my hair from the passion twist hair, I'm not gonna experience too much breakage. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna start unraveling now, and I'm gonna start talking about the pros and the cons. I couldn't choose which one to start with first, whether the pros or the cons, so I'm just gonna be talking about them randomly. Although I will let you know when one is a pro and one is a con. You'll probably figure it out by yourself anyway, so yeah, let's go. The first pro is that the style is super cute. Passion twists, damn, I never felt so cute in my life. The hair is curly and bouncy, so it's like so super cute. Look at my natural hair, guys. Oh, it feels so crispy. Ooh, that's the passion twist hair. I think I'm gonna keep it. And see if I can reuse it, because I'm a big fan of reusing hair, especially hair that's this expensive. 1,700 per pack, man. I don't know how much it is in your currency, but over here, that's a lot. If you're looking for a very nice style, it doesn't matter what time of year it is, whether it's spring, summer, whatever. If you're looking for a very nice style to put your hair in that's gonna be super cute, go for passion twist. It is so cute, but it is expensive to put in, to buy the extensions, to do whatever. I'm a braider as well. I know how much I charge for passion twist. So it is pretty expensive. I mean, if you got shmoola, then go right on ahead, sweetie pie. It is super cute. So if you got the money, do it. Another pro is that it is very easy to style, because it is already so curly and so cute. Any style you put it in is practically very pretty. And then when you style it and add some accessories, you steal the attention in the room. But with all your styling comes frizz, okay? The hair gets super frizzy, super quick. Like, I had the hair for about 1 week when it was super neat. After the first week, it just became, my roots, everything was just so frizzy. My natural hair was coming out. Everything was just up and around. But once it passed 3 weeks, I was like, nah, it's time to take it out. It's almost 4 weeks, however. Today's Monday, it's gonna be 4 weeks on Thursday, but I couldn't make it. I couldn't wait. I just had to take it out. So the hairstyle it gets frizzy really fast. It's kind of like knotless braids, maybe worse. So if you're looking for a super cute, super expensive hairstyle that is not gonna last, then you can go for passion twists, sis. You can go for passion twists. One rule that you should know, however, is anytime passion twists are involved, be it the twist or using passion twists for butterfly locks or whatever, never ever use a rubber band to pack the hair. Use a scrunchie, use an outless hair tie, use a bandana, use anything else, but do not use rubber bands, because your hair finna snag. Ooh, your hair is gonna be destroyed in 3 days. Like, as soon as you introduce rubber band to the equation, it's gonna equal to disaster. The style already on its own doesn't last, and using a rubber band is just gonna escalate the unlastingness. All right, so don't use rubber bands in your hairstyle ever. Okay, another thing that I'll consider a con is that the passion twist used to snag on everything. Okay, it would snag on my earrings. You see, now that I'm taking them out, I just took off my earrings. It snags on your earrings, it snags on your chain, and if you are doing like the really long passion twist, it's gonna snag on door handles, walls, wardrobes, cars, trains. It's gonna snag on everything. If you're ready for that, then go right on ahead, sis. Another thing that I loved about passion twist was the fact that I didn't miss my natural hair like too much, because the hairs themselves, they are curly, they've got a little bit of shrinkage, so every time I was bored I would just pull on it and be like, ooh, shrinkage. Yeah, I didn't really miss my natural hair like too much. Like normally when I get hair like this, in like 2 days I'm already missing my natural hair, like, you know. But this one I was pretty content because it was curly and it was bouncy, and you know, it just really reminded me a lot about my natural hair, so I didn't really miss my natural hair too much, which actually allowed the style to stay a lot longer than it really would have. Plus, it actually looks more natural the older or the frizzier that it gets, because I noticed that a lot of people started like walking up to me like, is this your real hair? And I'd be like, no, it's passion twist. And they're like, oh, it looks like your real hair. And I'm like, please, if I twist my hair, it won't pass here. Anyway, so yeah, that's some of the things that I really liked about the style. It's super cute, it is very easy to style, it is very close to home, like it reminds me of my natural hair, and it looks way more natural the older that it gets. So I could actually have let it stay longer, but the roots aren't letting me shine, so I had to take them out. Another thing that I realized about it is it's also very easy to moisturize. Like I said, it reminds me of my natural hair, so I was always reminded to moisturize and to oil my scalp and all of that. And I don't have a separate video on how I moisturize my passion twist, but I'm gonna give you a demonstration in the next clip. So I made this moisturizing mist for my passion twist, and it contains water, my leave-in conditioner, and my growth oil. And every time I want to use it, I always shake before I use it because oil settles. But if you shake it, it will, you know, mix a little bit, and then I'll spray it into my passion twist. After spraying, I use my fingers to massage that moisture into the twist onto my scalp and make sure it gets everywhere. Then I go in with my Mega Growth oil and I use it to seal in the moisture from the spray. Like there's already a little bit of oil in the mixture, but you know, just for that extra sealing so that the moisture lasts and you don't have to be doing this like every single day. Then I take this little oil mix that I made for my scalp. It's basically my Mega Growth oil and a little bit of tea tree oil. I added the tea tree oil so that it could soothe my scalp and prevent itchiness. And yeah, that's basically it. I apply it to all of my scalp and then I massage it into my scalp with my fingertips. I recently bought this Soulmate African Herbal Cream because a friend of mine recommended it to me for my dying edges. I've been battling with my edges for a while now, so I'm going to be applying this to my edges consistently from now that I've bought it until it finishes, and I'll see if there is a difference. She really recommended it to me, she sold it to me practically, so I'll be applying it to my edges for as long as it lasts. So that's basically how I moisturize my passion twist. If I do it in the morning, then I would style my hair and go where I'm going, and then if I do it in the night, I'll put on my satin bonnet and I'll go to bed, or I would tie my satin scarf and then I'll go to bed. My natural hair is back out, guys. We're not done. We're not done because I'm still feeling some tangles and stuff in here. So to detangle my hair, I'm gonna use my mist spray bottle. It contains the same mixture from the clip where I moisturized my passion twist. So I'm just gonna lightly spritz my hair. Then section by section, I'm going to finger detangle my hair first, and then go in with a wide tooth comb. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you learned a little about passion twists, how to take them down, the pros and cons, how to moisturize them and maintain them. I had an overall good experience with them, and I'm gonna miss them so much. I really am. But you know, it was just time to let my natural hair out, and I must say I've missed her. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because that's free. Okay, that's free. Make sure you do it and share this video with every single person that you know in your life, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.